Here's how to add a family member to your Apple Music subscription. Step 1. Invite and add family member. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on Family. As you can see here, the family members are not added, so we need to invite them. To do this, tap the Add Family Member icon at the top right corner. You can choose from the suggestions, invite others, or create a child account. Here, I am selecting the Invite Others option. Multiple options are available here, such as AirDrop, Messages, Mail, Invite in Person, and more. Go through the Invite in Person option. Now, enter your family member's email or phone number and password. Afterward, hit the Next button. You may get two-factor authentication on your other iPhone. Please verify and enter it. Don't close the page and wait for the verification process to complete. It may ask you to share your location. For now, select Not Now and tap the Next button. You may see a notification message that says the family member has been added to your family sharing. At this point, please ensure that you have upgraded to a family plan. Tap on the top iCard to watch the full video on how to upgrade Apple Music to the family plan. The second step is to enable purchase sharing to add a family member to your Apple Music subscription. Tap on Purchase Sharing. Then, hit the Continue button. Read the details and tap on the Turn On button. We have turned on purchase sharing and are now sharing your Apple Music, media, apps, and books purchases. We need to send a message to your family members to let them know and invite them to share their purchases too. So, hit the Send a Message button. In the Messages app, tap the Send icon and then tap the Done button. Now on my other family's iPhone, I have received the purchase sharing invitation. To check it, launch the Messages app and look for a message available at the top. Tap to open it. To check if the family shares the Apple Music subscription, launch the Apple Music app. As you can see here, I can easily access Apple Music without a subscription. If you're unable to access Apple Music Family, after accepting the invitation from your family, check the region in Account Settings. Launch the Apple Music app, tap on the profile icon, and go to Account Settings. Afterward, tap Country or Region. Scroll down and select your country. Apple Music Family Plan only works if everyone's Apple ID is set to the same country. Then, hit the Continue button. Tap Agree to Apple Media Services Terms and Conditions. Select the correct payment method, or set None if you don't have, and enter the billing address and contact details. Then hit the Done button. Wait for a moment to refresh the Account Settings page. As you can see, the Family Sharing option is available now. Tap on it to check. Now, force close and relaunch the Apple Music app, and check if it works. If you see the error message Cannot Connect, the page couldn't be loaded, try again. On Apple Music, try performing a force restart and then check if it works. Also, refer to my tutorial given in the video description on how to fix them. This feature is invaluable and beneficial for all family sharing users. I hope you found this video helpful. Write your feedback in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.